Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today is week number 4 and we are doing cabinet organization and decluttering. So in this video, I will be sharing with you all this cabinet here, which is my canned goods slash bag foods per se, and some box foods in this cabinet. And also I will be sharing with you 2 other cabinets on this side and one down below. If this seems to be something that you are interested in, please keep on watching. This is Love Your Home Challenge hosted by Marilyncozylifestyle. So, as I said, this is week 4 and we are decluttering our cabinets and giving some organization tips. And I'm going to show you just in a moment my canisters that I will be using, as well as my other cabinet space. So thumbs up this video, share this video, as well as if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and click that bell notification. Hit that bell notification 2 times so each and every time that I upload, you will be notified. Let's get into this video. First thing first, remove anything that's on your existing countertops. I love to put my items on trays so that it's easy to pick up and remove. As well as corralling my cutting boards together for easy access. Okay everyone, I have took everything out and now I am going to clean. As you can see, I have some crumbs from my bag goods. Now this is definitely a lot because I do not have a pantry. I just have these cabinets here. I'm about to remove my cereals as well as some of my cooking oils, and I may even try to tackle this and condense some of this down as well to my canisters, because I don't use all of those for cereal, and I think I have 2 extra ones. So we typically have at least 4 bags of cereal open. So I am going to remove this stuff as well, but I'm going to do that part off camera, but I will come back and share with you all me placing and organizing the things back into the cabinet. And one important tip hold on guys, let me turn the camera around. One important tip is to check your dates to make sure your food is still good and not expired. And then, as I said, clean your cabinets and utilize your different canisters. I will be using, I have 2 this type, and actually I have 4 in this style, and I have 3 in this style, and I have 2 other types. So I will be using my different canisters to house some of my food, so that'll cut back on my boxes. And with that being said, let's get back into this video. Okay guys, I am going to use these 3 right here for my ribbon, my pasta, and I'm going to put these noodles, I'm going to put the whole pack into the cereal containers that I have. Like I said, I usually have 4 boxes of cereal open, so I will be using my other 2 for my spaghetti and my fettuccine. Alright? When putting your items in, I always either take the directions, I take it off, and either place it in butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Okay, everyone, let's see our end result. And I don't know if I had showed you the countertop before, but I had the air fryer there. So now it is clear, and all I have is my couple of my pasta, my rice, my go-to things that we use quite often. And then in this cabinet up here, we have downsized a lot and have it more organized and put together. And these are basically my overage for the items that I put in the canisters up on this shelf. And then, like I said, this is much more condensed down and organized. And then down here, I have my air fryer, my blender, and my strainers and my casserole dishes right there. And then I had to put my extra pasta in this container right here. Then we come up here, and this is where all of my things that I put in the jar, this is where they will be. And I will have another part of this video because I want to label all of my canisters so my children will know what is what. So that is how this is looking up there. Now we are coming over to our last cabinet, and we have condensed this down greatly as well. I still have room up here. I have room for extra items up here as well as down here. And as you can see, it is nicely condensed and organized. I can easily go in and pick out what we're having for dinner, or I can easily go in and see what we need to stock up on. So I am satisfied, and I hope you all, hold on. As I was saying, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to take something from it. I hope you all are checking out the playlist. I have that link down below. And I want to thank Marilyn again for hosting this Love Your Home Challenge. It was very much needed here in my home. I am enjoying going through and decluttering and organizing my things. So please check out this playlist. Please go over to the other ladies' channels and watch their videos. And we will see you back here Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you next week. Bye-bye.